we have turned around. I'm Holly, that's Ray, and this is our home, Sabado. Subscribe to tag along on the adventure. Well, our weather router basically said if we don't leave today, we're not gonna make our haul out date in St. Martin. So let's get ready for a sporty sail, shall we? Yeah! Goodbye, Guadalupe. That's a low rainbow. Weird.
We're leaving Guadalupe. We've got some weather coming in, so we've got about a 24, maybe 30-hour window to get to St. Martin. Otherwise, it'll be 5 or 6 days that we have to wait for the weather. So we're just gonna go for it tonight in one sail. Probably 16 hours or so. It depends really on the sea state. It's, you know, right now we've got decent winds. Not as, you know, we're not going as fast as we'd like to go. We've got 126 miles that we need to go. So we'll be there 2, 3 in the morning. Woohoo! But we've been there before, so it's an easy place to anchor. Yeah, and then we'll get Sabado ready to haul.
We're actually going 8 knots, so Ray should take back what he said about our speed. And we're reefed. Shaping up to be a wet ride. Well, we have turned around. We hit 40 knots of wind, and while we were reefing the main, our lazy jacks just ripped out of the mast. So right now we have nothing to keep the sail in, so we're gonna head back to Guadalupe and see if we can make some repairs in time to make this weather window, and if not, we're gonna be stuck there for a while, but hopefully another window will come. We shall see. This is what it's looking like now. A million times better than it was 10 minutes ago when the entire sail was practically on our port side. I'm just glad we don't have wind turbines anymore, because that would have been a nightmare. We're gonna try and drop it here pretty soon and strap it down. Current plan is to anchor in here, and hopefully it'll be calm enough to send Ray up the mast to check things out. It's not looking great, but it's much better. It's really rolly. Of course it's gonna rain.
All right, down slowly.
Down slow!
Yeah, I think I can fix that. I know I can fix that.
That's what I like to hear. Hi, engineer.
These lazy jacks are just held up there with a cheap block. I don't have a replacement block that's that small, but I've got some Dyneema line that I can wrap around it. Pull that.
Alright, let's get things ready to go, I guess.
Alrighty. Okay, this is take 2. We're starting off reefed way down now that we know what we're getting into out there. Eating frequently really helps me not get seasick, and I've gone through half a baguette already on this trip, but I feel fantastic. So if you get seasick, maybe try a baguette. I really can't film because everything outside is just getting pelted with salt water, but the sun is setting, the Lazy Jack repair is holding, and Sabado is hauling ass. We should arrive in St. Martin by morning. Well, we've just dropped anchor and it's blowing 25 knots in the anchorage. We're in Simpson Bay on the Dutch side of the island. So we just raised our Q flag and I think we're just gonna take a nap and wait for things to calm down before we go to shore. That's nice. Good morning. Oh, seems like we're in the super yacht parking lot out here. The boat is an absolute disaster after that trip. I don't know if it's just us, but when it's rough like that, we avoid going down below at all costs. So the cockpit just kind of collects everything. Let's see what we've got here. Looks like lines and fenders that didn't get put away. Our PFDs, we've got rain jackets, towels, sweatpants, plus the entire boat is just coated in salt water. So obviously we have a lot of work to do, but I think first we're gonna go visit our favorite cheese shop because we're back in St. Martin. The likelihood we get soaked is high, but we've decided the cheese shop is worth the risk. Well, it started pouring, shocker. So we stopped into this chandlery to wait it out. Ray has already picked out a few things. This is like my Disneyland. All right, time to get to work for real this time. Huge. We really are in the super yacht parking lot back here.
Well, this is too bad.
What you pouring over there? Let's see it.
Well, we're in France, so gotta get some good wine.
A good, nice, classic French.
Well, here you go. Just drink it. It smells horrible.
I tried my hardest. I'm not a good actor. Oh no, it looks See? Oh boy.
It's you just went up the mast and they don't know what you saw up there.
Oh heck. Ah shit, this is easy. I can fucking fix this.
Fix what? You have to tell them what.
Oh. Well, it looks like it was just a cheap piece of shit